This tutorial shows you how to deploy your connectors to the Boomi Enterprise Platform. Log into the Boomi platform and go to Settings. Under Development Resources, select Developer. Click Add Connector Group. Fill in a name of your choice under Group Name. For this example, we have used Test for Video. Enter Test for Video under Initial Connector Display Name. Enter Dev under Initial Connector Classification. Next, we will upload the connector descriptor file and connector archive file. You can find both files in the Resources/Meta Info folder of your connector project. Under Connector Descriptor File, click Choose a File. Navigate to the Meta Info folder, select the descriptor file, and click Open. Under Connector Archive File, click Choose a File. Select the Connector Archive file and click Open. Click OK to save your connector group. You will see your newly created connector group listed under Connectors, with the version shown as Initial Version. You can now use this connector in your Boomi processes. Thank you for watching.